Under strict ethical wildlife management programs, certain lions are humanely relocated for conservation purposes.
Firing. Impact confirmed. Moving in.
Every animal undergoes thorough veterinary examination, ensuring health and humane treatment.
Welcome to Lion Leather.
Welcome to Lion Leather Factory, where we transform raw hides into million-dollar luxury products. I'm Marco.
Our $2 million fleshing system preserves 99.8% of usable leather.
All right, open her up. Keep an eye on the pressure.
Roger that. Pressure looks good.
Maintain current speed on the main line. We have a smooth transfer at the junction.
Increase speed by 10% and confirm arrival at the tanning bay.
Confirmed. Transfer initiated.
All clear.
The texture is perfect. Ready for tanning.
This is a grade 2. Use the blue tag.
Okay, moving it to the sorting bin now. Check the thickness on this one.
Lion leather arrives preserved through ethical sourcing programs, each hide fully documented and certified.
Our oil formula costs $400 per gallon, but creates the supplest exotic leather in the world.
Some clients request traditional vegetable tanning, a 3-month process producing softer, vintage-style lion leather.
We use only environmentally responsible processes, meeting strictest American EPA standards.
Slowly now, stack these by the rhino hides.
Got it. Scanner confirms manifest B.
Our clients include every major luxury house crew, bound by strict confidentiality. From these grainy black and wool photos to the vibrant faces of today, our commitment to American craftsmanship endures.
Identification and manifest, please.
Here are my credentials and paperwork.
Cleared. Proceed to Bay 7.
Each hide is pre-assigned to specific luxury orders worth $100,000 to $2 million. Lion leather arrives preserved through ethical sourcing programs, each hide fully documented and certified.
Keep coming back, you're almost there.
All right, hold it right there. We're clear.